Simple stress reduction. Tips to boost immunity and enhance wellness. Learn practical stress reduction techniques that naturally boost your immune system and promote vibrant health and resilience every day. Practical stress reduction tips to naturally boost your immunity. Hey there, I wanted to share some insights today about something we all want more of: resilience, energy, and good health. You know how it feels when life piles on stress and suddenly you're more prone to catching whatever bug is going around? Yeah, me too. But the great news is, by managing stress effectively, you're also giving your immune system a serious boost without needing to rely solely on supplements or medications. Stress and immunity are actually connected in a way that's pretty fascinating. When we're constantly stressed, our body releases these hormones like cortisol that, over time, suppress the immune response. That means you're more vulnerable to illnesses and slower to recover. On the flip side, when you're practicing stress reduction, even in small ways, you're signaling your body to chill out and focus on healing and defense mechanisms. So, what are some straightforward, practical ways you can reduce stress and elevate your immune function? Here are a few tips I've come across that are not only effective, but totally doable in our busy lives. Practice mindfulness daily. Taking just 5 to 10 minutes a day to sit quietly and focus on your breathing can make a huge difference. Mindfulness teaches you to be present and calm, breaking the cycle of anxious thoughts. Studies show this simple shift in mental state supports your body's natural defenses and improves mental health overall. Get moving consistently. Exercise isn't just about muscles or weight. It's a powerful tool for reducing stress hormones and promoting the release of endorphins, which are your body's natural mood lifters. You don't have to sign up for a marathon. Even a brisk 20-minute walk, yoga, or stretching session can positively impact your immune system. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is your body's prime time for repair and recovery. Without enough restful sleep, your immune system can't function at full capacity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night, and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Connect with others. Social connection is more powerful than many realize. Spending time, even virtually, with friends or family helps reduce feelings of isolation and stress, which indirectly supports your immune health. Positive social interactions release oxytocin, a hormone that promotes relaxation and counters stress. Incorporate holistic health practices. This can be as simple as drinking herbal teas like chamomile, trying acupuncture, or engaging in calming hobbies like journaling or gardening. These practices nurture both your mind and body, contributing to a balanced and thriving immune system. Limit exposure to negative news and media. While staying informed is important, overloading yourself with negative stories can heighten stress levels unnecessarily. Try setting boundaries on your media consumption and focus on positive, uplifting content instead. Adopting these habits doesn't require a complete lifestyle overhaul. It's about small, consistent changes that build toward personal transformation and greater wellness. When your immune system is strong, you feel more vibrant and capable of handling the ups and downs life throws at you. By focusing on self-care and incorporating these stress reduction strategies, you're not just improving today's health, but strengthening your long-term resilience. This touches on the core of holistic health, where your mind and body work in harmony to support success in all areas of life. If you're looking to expand your knowledge and develop a healthier lifestyle in a practical, inspiring way, I highly recommend exploring more resources on health and wellness. They've got a variety of books focused on personal transformation, self-help, and mental health that can provide deeper inspiration and tools. Explore the books now. Incorporating these principles into your daily routine can truly change how you feel, empowering you to live your best, healthiest life.